Welcome to the show. Today we're gonna clean that nasty chain on the Royal Enfield. So what I use a tray, like a baking tray, very large, low to the ground. Put that right up to the center stand here. That way everything's gonna fall down in there. I use a sprayer, just a regular spray. I put kerosene in there. Then I use bar oil, which I put in a little oiler like this. And then you need one of those pretty cool stuff. That's a brush that's gonna be using here to clean the chain. So I usually put the chain, you see there's the quick link here. So what I do here, I spray it and turn the wheel. Now some people are using the engine to do that, and I just don't like that. It's dangerous. You could, but it's dangerous. You have to make sure you keep your finger off this way. If it turns this way, well, it will turn this way. You can act here because it's not gonna go to the sprocket. But if you do something here, that's dangerous because you can get caught in the sprocket here. What I do, I use the quick link here as a reference, and then I start spraying until I can see the quick link coming back sometime soon. There it is. Okay, so now the chain is like well lubricated with the kerosene. And then what I'm gonna use now is this, spray stuff on it, and then when you look at the quick link, there's the quick link again. So now we're gonna do the bottom, the inside of the chain. Quick link is back here, okay. Now you can do like this if you want. Until the quick link is coming back. There it is. So I got the bottom, the top, or the inside, I need the outside, plus the sides here. So now I'm gonna spray again. See, it doesn't really take long. The problem, I keep forgetting doing that because my other bikes got shaft or belts. Okay, here's the quick link. So now you see already it's really nicer, much nicer. Kind of remove the excess. It started to look good now. The chain is clean. And this chain's got O-rings. So it's lubricated inside, but there's still friction between the chain and the sprocket. And the sprocket is in good shape actually. I'm gonna show you here. See, the sprocket is in good shape. So now this is dirty. So let's clean this here. So what I'm gonna do is this. You can do it like this. There we go. Okay, so now I'm gonna pull towards me to do the other side. Okay, quick link is back. I don't know if you can see, of course, because it's still a little dirty. So what I'm gonna do a little more here. Spray I can use these long bristles here. Of course, you're gonna do more turn because when the quick link is coming back, you already did several turns. There is the quick link. All right. Not looking too bad at all. I'm gonna spray a lot now. There we go. So now you can see the good juice here. All right, so now we're gonna dry that up. I'm just gonna keep going. All right, it's my clip. Now, if I want to do the inside, I'm gonna go here, but I'm gonna turn this way. I'm not gonna go in the bottom because my finger can get caught. So I'm gonna do one of these. And the quick link is back here. So that's it. All right, so we got a clean chain now. So now what I do, I use my bar oil. Put that in a little spreader here. Where I do that. So I'm gonna do a first pass like this. I'm putting a lot, but that's okay. We're gonna remove that, and the rest gonna go on the tire to lubricate the tire. All right. See, now it's dripping. So now what I want to do is put on the side like this. There we go. I'm not sure it's gonna do much, but it looks good anyway. Looks fancy for the video. Okay, and then in the back, eventually, you press slightly, that way you have a small flow of oil, and it's the quick thing again. So now you see it's nice and oily, and what I'm gonna do now is try to remove the excess. And if you can see here, the good juice dripping from over there. See, we get plenty on the tire. That's great. All right, so now I'm gonna remove the excess here of oil. And what I do usually, I leave the motorcycle on a stand like this all night, because it's still gonna drip pretty much overnight. What we want to do is clean, of course, clean the tire and the rim. So what I use a simple green. So you see, it was not that bad. It's pretty quick. Okay, well, I cannot find my simple green, but what I have is this Dawn, and it's a spray, it's a dish spray, and that stuff is a great degreaser. So I'm gonna use this. It's really a great degreaser. Put that on the rim. You see, you can tell already. You see? See, it's getting brown and everything. That stuff is great. I didn't believe it. I thought that was a gimmick when I saw that on TV, and now I use it all the time in my kitchen. So you see how brown it's getting already? It's dissolving the oil. So now I'm gonna take a rag. The best way would be to rinse it, but we are inside now. It's the winter, so we are inside. So gonna be like this, that's fine. So since you have stuff here, you can also spray water to rinse it, but you can tell now the tire is starting to dry. So there it is. See, nice chain, dirty bike, but nice chain, and nice rim. There we go. So now I'm ready to do more. So when comes spring, the better weather, then I will wash the bike. But at least I can use it with a clean, lubricated chain. All right, that's all, folks. See you later.